Hi all and welcome back to another exciting video by Crypto Bros. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe our YouTube channel and to activate your bells so you can receive notifications and can be up to date. And remember that we don't intend to give any financial advice. We just analyze what we consider interesting, original or whatever projects. So if you are thinking about investing on them, please do your own researches first. And today we are going to analyze the node project called ProjectX, which is built on the AVAX chain. So if you are operating as we do with a MetaMask wallet, please don't forget to change to AVAX network in order to operate. Okay. Well, taking a brief look into their Twitter account, we can see that they have reached the amazing amount of 13,000 followers in a short period of time since they joined on December 2021. Exactly on their Discord channel, they've got about 12,000 followers, which is not bad. And here we can find the landing page and the website. So let's take a brief look to the landing page where we can find again the direct links to their website and links to their social media and to the white paper, which we'll analyze later. So let's start with the amazing user interface that they've got, and the most important thing, how to buy and how to invest on this token. Well, it is pretty easy. You just have to click on here. Remember to connect your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet or wherever backed on the AVAX network, and then you will be redirected to this site where you will be able to swap your AVAX that you have previously bought in a platform such as Binance, for instance, and then you can swap into the PXT2 token. Okay. And once that you've got it, you are able to create a node. So in the last part of the website, in the down part, you can find that the price of a node costs 10 tokens, and the token right now, the current price is $35. So to create a node, you will need about an initial investment of $350, and it is supposed that with the daily rewards, if the price is stable, you are going to receive about 5.5 daily dollars. So in a couple of months, in 60 days, you will receive almost your initial investment, except for the selling taxes that are an 80%, so they can sustain the treasury, the marketing campaigns, and so on. Okay, but you are supposed to receive your initial investment in a couple of months, which is a great idea. So now let's take a look about what is this project. So this is the white paper, and they explain that they are an X collective, a community-driven team and project space for new possibilities in the ever-expanding DeFi universe. Project X is what unites us as a distill our experiences into creating a vehicle for everyone to participate in creating a sustainable passive income fueled by innovations in the cryptoverse. Project X originally arose out of a number of closed Telegram groups and long-time strong block investors who came together in 2021 to exchange strategies on the latest opportunities in DeFi. Witnessing the success of a strong block, we wonder, what if we could create a project with the same reliable passive income stream for holders, but in charge by the foundational question, how do we make this sustainable, instead of how do we make a quick pump? And here they explain the mission, the vision, the values, which are very important: the transparency, the presence, and the innovation. These are the important issues related to X Collective, and they have divided their launching into first phase, and they implement the second phase. So in the first phase, here, what we have explained is the most important thing. PXT2 tokens holders are able to use their tokens to create nodes, as we have seen, and those nodes are rewarded with a drip of these token rewards, and a portion of these tokens used for node creation is sold into AVAX and sent to the treasury. As we have mentioned before, the AVAX is to be used for investment in other projects and revenue generating assets. This allows the building of a treasury that can be used to help sustain node rewards through a variety of means. And then the second phase, they basically include Avalanche ecosystem support, nodes as a service implementation with RPZ endpoints on each node, validator implementation, and non-native reward implementation functionality to reward nodes in token other than PXT2 tokens. Okay, and here we can find the roadmap where we can see the achievements. Here we are, and how all these milestones have been achieved. And here, which is the most important point for me, is that they were launched on, here we go, on October. And basically we can here see the increasing, so people who bought it when it started has done an incredible 35 times of profit. So it is amazing. So let's take a brief look to the fully diluted market capitalization, which is almost 35 millions of dollars, and the volume, which has decreased, it's around $750,000, which is not bad. So an interesting project to take into account. Thanks for listening to me, and see you on the next video. Bye.